Hello, this is 17A Putes, and I'm going to be showing you today how to get Motorbike for Mac, the full version for free. So what you're going to do is go to the App Store and get Motorbike Lite. So go look up Motorbike Lite and get this one. See, I already have it installed, so I don't have to. So you go get Motorbike Lite and you install it. Then you go to Finder and to Applications. You find Motorbike, Show Package Contents. Well, you control click it or right click the Motorbike Lite game contents, and you're going to have all these little things here. So I'm going to have these files except for the full version in the download link below. So all of these files are going to be replaced with a full version that is going to be on the download link. So what's going to happen is you're going to highlight all of these and drag them into the trash. Then with the files that are in the download link below, you drag them into here, and when you close out, you get to play Motorbike Lite, and all the levels are full. The only thing that you can't do, that you would be able to do in the full version, is to save your custom worlds. I've not found a way around this, but let's go to settings. I'll show you that version. So, for free. Thank you for watching this video, and hope you like and subscribe.